What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another price update, price prediction on Terra Classic, which has pumped up in value just about 30% in the last 24 hours, making it this value here. So as you guys can see, over the last 24 hours it's been slowly and steadily increasing in value, and a major pump here well, not a major but quite a bit of a pump here this afternoon. So is it gonna keep going up in value over the next couple of days? Is it gonna drop back down? Is it time to buy, sell, or is it just time to hold on to it? That's what we're gonna go through in today's video, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022. Is it worth investing into Luna, or would you rather put your money into a different crypto, especially with what's happened with Luna over the last couple of months? So the market is down nearly 5% in the last 24 hours. However, Terra Classic has managed to gain the top spot in the top gainers list over the last 24 hours, which is quite of a change. Obviously it's dropped over 99% over the last few months, but yeah, over the hour it's dropped 3%, over the last day 30% up, over the week 21% down, consistently dropping in value over the last 7 days, and over the month a massive 228% up, guys. So as you can see, earlier on in September and very late August as well, it had a major pump in value, fluctuated, another major pump 4 days later, and another major pump 3 days later, and ever since then, so ever since the 8th of September, it's been doing nothing but dropping in value. So is it ever going to go back up to its value was about a week ago, or is it just going to keep dropping? And also, guys, when it comes to Terra Classic, a lot of people did gain its trust when it was pumping up in value for about a week consistently, but ever since then people have lost it. And also I've seen a lot of people investing their money, putting thousands and thousands of dollars into this crypto when it was pumping up in value. I did warn you guys, it is a very risky investment that you're doing when it's pumping up in value, because I was expecting it to drop back down in value, and that is exactly what's taken place. So yeah, so those of you who did invest into it, it was a risky move, but who knows guys, it may go back up in value over the coming months or even years, depending on how long it takes. Obviously I myself, I'm not investing into the crypto because of what's happened. I don't find it a sustainable project for the long-term hold, even though some of my comments do say that I'm stupid for not investing into this crypto. It's going to do very well over the coming months, years, and so on and so on. But again, personal opinion, I don't believe into the crypto. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 61% up in the last 24 hours, making it $1.2 billion in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Terra Classic. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto right now. So let's get straight into it, guys. On the screen we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the hourly chart, and we've got the purple line running across the chart here at the top, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Terra Classic, which at the moment is this one here in purple. However, Terra Classic is trading at a slightly higher value in red here, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. But for how long? So let's zoom in into the 15-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the 30-minute and hourly chart as well. Well, still for the short-term traders anyway. So zooming in here, we do, again, sorry guys, I forgot to mention before I go any further, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming in here, we do have the blue line going in a bearish direction, looking a little bit negative, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially we've got two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what I'm expecting over the next 6-7 hours. So towards the end of the day today, we should expect it to more or less fluctuate at the current price range. Even though we may see a peak and dip in between red and green candles, it's very likely it's going to hover around the current price range. Now moving on to the 30-minute chart, next 12 to 14 hours. So by midday tomorrow, we should expect a minimal increase in value on Terra Classic. Overall increase in value, again, is going to be a very minimal increase in value, nothing too major, guys. I'm not expecting it to go for a major bull run or a price pump or anything like that. Minimal increases in value is what I'm expecting. And again, that does not mean we're going to be hitting green candles consistently for the next 12 to 14 hours. Of course not. We are going to have red days. We are going to have, sorry, not days, green hours, red hours when it's it's up and down, but the overall outcome once again seems to be slightly more on the positive side. So do expect a slight increase in value on Terra Classic over the next 12 to 14 hours. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? So towards the end of next week, once again, we should expect an overall increase in value, but again, it is going to be very minimal, guys. Minimal increases in value is what I'm expecting from Terra Classic over the coming days. But again, it's going to be volatile, once again, green days and red days, but the overall outcome is what matters at this point, which is once again slightly more on the positive side rather than the negative side. However, over the long run, over the next couple of weeks and months, I'm not expecting it to keep going up in value. I'm expecting it to drop back down, guys. As I keep mentioning in most of my Terra Classic videos, I'm not investing into the crypto. I've given up on it. I did invest into it a couple of months ago just before it crashed, and that's all I've invested. I'm gonna keep on hold on to that until it go back up in value, but I'm not expecting it to do that. I'm just holding on to it for the sake of it, and I will not be investing any more into this project or even the new Terra Luna 2.0 that some people call it. I'm not investing into that either. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, we have gone into the green zone, but I'm expecting us to drop back down into the red zone in no time. So over the next couple of days, or even next 12 to 14 hours, or even not 12 to 14 hours, sorry, over the next couple of days, I'm expecting us to drop back down into the red zone and then peak back up into the green zone, fluctuate around the current price range or the resistance target here over the next few days before we drop back down into the red zone over the coming weeks, and get worse and worse over the coming weeks and months as well. But towards the end of the year, I'm expecting us to overall trade at a slight, not slightly, but at a much lower value than what it's worth at the moment. But again, these are my predictions as of right now, guys. Any major bull runs or any major crashes that take place in the crypto market will have a major impact, not just on the value of Terra Classic, but the most cryptos out there. So I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So yeah, guys, these are my takes and my predictions on Terra Classic. What I want you guys to do is comment down below what your predictions and your takes are on this crypto. What is the highest figure you guys predict Terra Classic to hit in 2022? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. I don't want to see no comments saying $1, 10 cents, or even the 1 cent target. Again, it's going to have to go for a major bull run for that to take place, which I'm not expecting from Terra Classic anytime soon. But yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.